Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Updates. Today, we're checking out a compact powerhouse, the 2025 Mount 8 Mini Tractor. Whether you're a small farmer, a gardener, or someone looking for a reliable machine for light-duty farm work, this tractor might just be what you need. The 2025 Mount 8 is designed to be compact, efficient, and easy to use. It's built for small farms, orchards, and greenhouses where maneuverability is key. But don't let its size fool you. This machine packs enough power to handle a variety of tasks. Under the hood, we've got a engine with 2000 horsepower, which provides the right balance of fuel efficiency and performance. It's strong enough for plowing, tilling, and transporting light loads without guzzling fuel. One of the best things about this tractor is how user-friendly it is. The controls are simple, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced farmers alike. The comfortable seating and ergonomic design ensure that long hours in the field don't feel like a struggle. Versatility is where the 2025 Mount 8 really shines. You can attach a variety of implements, from plows to rotavators, making it a multi-purpose machine. Whether you're working in tight spaces or open fields, this tractor gets the job done with ease. Now, let's talk about maintenance. This tractor is designed for easy servicing, with accessible engine components and a simple maintenance routine. Regular oil changes, air filter cleaning, and basic checkups will keep it running smoothly for years. If you're wondering about the price, the 2025 Mount 8 offers great value for money. It's budget-friendly compared to bigger tractors but still delivers excellent performance. Availability may vary depending on your region, so check with your local dealer or distributor for details. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mount 8 Mini Tractor? Is it the right fit for your farm? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to channel name for more tractor reviews and farming tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.